Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. The topic is food and digestion for grade or level 8 and learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. The learning for outcomes for this lesson are describe how the human digestive system helps in the digestion of food and the part played by enzyme in digestion. To recognize that the products of digestion are transported in the blood to other parts of the body and those which cannot be digested are digested. This will be the last video lesson for the topic food and digestion. Now this part is known as large intestine. Water, minerals, and undigested food such as fiber pass into the large intestine. Water, minerals, and undigested food such as fiber pass into the large intestine. Where the water and minerals are absorbed. Into the bloodstream. The rectum stores the undigested food. Rectum stores the undigested food and passes it as feces and passes it as feces out of the body to the anus. It's a ring-like muscle between the anus and rectum, which relaxes. A ring-like muscle between anus and rectum, which relaxes to pass out the stored feces. The removal of undigested matter from the body is called digestion. Of undigested matter from the body is called digestion or defecation. Not excretion. Here is a summary. In the stomach, gastric juice is produced. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid, protease, and water. Hydrochloric acid kills unwanted bacteria and germs. Protease breaks down the large protein molecules into smaller ones. Peristalsis in the stomach helps the food to mix with the gastric juice. The food, which is a semi-liquid mass called chyme, leaves the stomach and is released into the small intestine at regular intervals. Food enters the first part of the small intestine, which is duodenum. Gallbladder, gallbladder stores bile and is released by the liver. Bile breaks up large fat droplets into smaller ones. The pancreatic juice and intestinal juice have different types of digestive enzymes which digest different nutrients in the small intestine. Enzymes produced are amylase, lipase, protease, and carbohydrates. Amylase breaks down complex carbohydrates or sugars into simple carbohydrates or sugars. Lipase breaks down fats into simple units of fatty acids and glycerol. Protease breaks down proteins into simple units of amino acids. Carbohydrates breaks down carbohydrates into simple sugars or carbohydrates. The process of digestion concludes or ends in the small intestine. Final products of digestion are glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol. The inner wall of the small intestine contains finger-like projections called villi. It absorbs the digested food molecules so that these molecules enter into the bloodstream. Villi provides a large surface area for the absorption of nutrients. Water, minerals, and undigested food such as fiber pass into the large intestine where the water and minerals are absorbed into the bloodstream. The rectum stores the undigested food and passes it as feces out of the body. There is a ring-like muscle between the anus and rectum which relaxes to pass out the stored feces. The removal of undigested matter from the body is called egestion or defecation, not excretion. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.